Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. An amazing company sent me some bomb products that I tried out for you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys my feedback and kind of let you know like what each product did for me and how to apply as well. So before I get started with this video, I just want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to Urban Hydration because they sent me so many products, y'all. I was shook. Like, the products are bomb. They're amazing. So I got all the products in this big box. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that they sent me. As you can see, some of the products are still not opened because I haven't got the chance to really use them all. But all the ones that I did use, I'll let you guys know how I like them. So the first thing we got here is, oh, I use this. I've already used it. I'll show y'all. Literally halfway gone. Okay, so it is the Honey Laid and Slayed Pro Gel. It says, say no to flaking and tackiness, which I will say this is so true because I have like a, I don't know how to explain like my hair texture, but I do use gel all the time. Like, if I ever want my hair super slick, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use gel. So I was really excited to try this gel because I'm like, my cup of tea. But I definitely liked it, and I definitely 100% agree on the no flaking and tackiness because it feels almost pretty light on my hair. Like, it never feels like sticky or hard or anything. So here's this, and my hair is natural right now. It's pretty wavy, so I can put some on and show you guys. So what I like to do is just literally take my hand and put a little bit in the jar. Thankfully it's big, and a lot of the times I just bend over or just scrunch like this. My hair is it used to be a lot wavier. It's really not that wavy right now, but it feels great. What the next thing I'm going to show you is Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea Daily Lotion. So y'all, first of all, the lid is gone. That's how you know I've been using this. Like, I need to give it a break. But it's literally like up to here now. Right here. I've used this much. So basically, what this is, it's a daily face lotion. I think it's super nice because I am a huge fan of like face lotion and moisturizer, and sometimes it feels like face lotion breaks me out, and this is like the exact opposite. I put this on right after I shower typically. Oh, that reminds me, I also have a face wash that they sent me, and that stuff is bomb because I literally use it every single day. Anytime I take a shower, which is typically in the morning or in the night, I'll wash off my makeup with it, and it leaves my skin so soft. But that's basically what this does. It leaves it really, really soft, not sticky, and you don't feel like you have too much on your face or breaking out or anything. So I purposely wore no makeup for this video because I knew I would have to be demonstrating and stuff. But all you do, you can just take a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Oh my god, that noise. Just like on your fingertips. And I just like to rub. Just everywhere. So it leaves it feeling really, really nice. Like, it feels super clean and really soft. And like I said, whenever I get out the shower, that's typically what I put on first after I wipe off with a makeup wipe. So then it just leaves my face hydrated and super clear. So another product they sent me was the Honey Style Setting Cream. So I can't really say much on this, but I have used, where'd it go? Oh, this one, which is the Blowout Balm, and I've used a bit of this. Oh, the Blowout Balm. This was really good for my hair. Like, I put this on after I straightened it, and I just put a little bit at the top, and like at the bottom I left it really sleek, but not like greasy, or it didn't look like a bunch of product was on it. And I know my little sister has also been using their these same hair products because she has curly hair, so I feel like everything just looks better on her hair. But she also really loved these products. I know she said that it maintained her frizz a lot. So if you have curly hair and you're looking for something to maintain your frizz but to still give you volume and make it look pretty and bouncy, this is the line for you. Another product that they sent me that I really liked was the Soften, Detangle, and Style Daily Moisturizer. So this is for your hair, obviously. This, I love it. So I'm not gonna lie, I went blonde like a year ago and I loved it, but it fried my hair so much. Like, I don't know if it was the bleach or just all the sessions, but my hair, like, literally this is as wavy as it gets, and this is not anything compared to how wavy it used to get. So with that being said, I've been using all these products like daily, really trying them out to like see how I like them, and also to let y'all know like if it's worth the coin or not. But this daily moisturizer for your hair is so bomb because I put this on after the shower. I put it on when my hair is dry, and I literally just scrunch it like you see me doing, which I'll show you guys. But yes, this is my favorite. As you can see, it's like literally, I beat my stuff up when I like them and I use them all the time. So this is at about like right here. So I've used like this much of it. A little goes a long way. As y'all can see, what I really love about these products is that they give you so much volume. Like, that just added a bunch of volume to my hair, and it doesn't leave it super sticky or hard like gel. So this is the Daily Moisturizer, which has to be probably one of my favorites. And then lastly, my favorite thing that I've used that they sent me is this Honey Pro Edge Control. I'm about to show y'all how much me and my little sister used of this poor thing. Like, we really killed this thing. But clearly you can tell it's bomb. So I want to be able to show you guys how nice this is, because like I mentioned, whenever I lay my edges or I want a sleek look, I use gel. And like I've said, and like you've heard already, gel leaves you really flaky and like hard. But what I've noticed is, first of all, this snatches your edges and it leaves them, it just leaves it super soft all day. Like, you don't gotta worry about having flakes or about anything of that. Alright, so I had to turn the brightness down so you guys will be able to see like exactly how it works. So honestly, you just take a little bit on your finger and it's really soft, but you can tell it's like tacky a little bit. This also works really well for just a sleek look, as you can tell, and it didn't take a lot at all. This is the Leave-On Conditioning Detangling Spray. And then this one is the Hydrate, Hold, and Shine Style Mousse. And then lastly, we have the Castor and Shea Facial Mask, and it's a moisturizing 15-minute peel off. So I've been waiting for my skin to clear up so I can do this, because like I said, I use their face wash and I've used their lotion, and it's amazing for my skin. It's been so clear after, like no breakouts, none of that, no reactions, like allergic reactions. So you guys, I hope this video was helpful and you guys enjoyed it. I know that I didn't really get to use all of the products and let you guys know how every single one worked, but honestly, you guys, like, as you can see, like, all the products are really big and they have so much products in them. Like, it's so worth it. And as far as I can tell, they work amazing. They have such a great skincare and hair care line. So if you're looking to try anything new and you want it to be more on the natural side and you just want something that other people have tried, this is definitely your go-to. All of these products are super bomb, And once again, I am so thankful. Thank you, Urban Hydrations, for sending me all of those and letting me try them out. And I would definitely be re-upping because y'all seen I used like half of my stuff already. But thank you so much, and you guys should definitely go check out their Instagram and their website to see which products you would love to try. Thank you guys. See you later.